That's fast. You can enter
Are you
there.
sure there's mango and wine?
I think. Kasi mas
Ma, I
marami
can
nagtitinda
smell
doon.
it.
If not,
Ma, I can smell it.
if you wanna be sure, sa palengke meron.
What's it called?
NU. Mangga? Mango bagong?
What's it called? NU? Where you park kanina?
Kanina, sa bahay. Diretso lang yun eh. Pero pwede rin dito. Kaso masikip dito kasi eh.
Oh, it's a blessing very Sunday. Very Sunday. Remember who's going somewhere. Going to the mall to buy some school supplies for tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh wait, did you make it go down like
No.
What do you think of that house?
Yeah.
There are two units there. At back house. At the front one. It is right beside high school. It's Claro Emrec. Claro Emrec is Tito Johnny's lolo. Great grandfather.
Y'all want some or what? That's the best juice ever.
What is that? Lychee again?
Oh, the passion fruit is so good.
Why did you forget na the mango? You forgot the mango na.
Oh, it's just like this is. I like
nice,
fruit
bro.
teas. You know?
I know. Why does it sound so nice?
Why not halo-halo?
And then you put it down?
You have naman enough
Can you use some
money for halo-halo.
Parapa.
Halo-halo, that's a big size na.
No, do like
I think, you know, for quality, baby halo-halo.
parapa.
I guess.
No, dude. Parapa.
Let's not go to Makati. Stay na lang in Manila. Meron sa Mall Robinsons, Manila. Royal Mall. Same halo-halo, baby. May melon doon, 10 pesos lang.
On a hot,
Drink
hot
melon
Sunday.
there. Next time there you buy there.
Sunday isn't hot. With clouds overhead today. This doesn't look like a good Sunday. Well, it's round, really round, very dark up above. Well, the clouds. Will the clouds go away? Hey.
Kung wala dyan tiging, we'll go turn left, straight. That's market na.
Now you go Rockwell.